with the help of the internet. No matter if you are professional chefs or experienced home cooks, you can share your wisdom when it comes to tasty and healthy recipes. There are many dietary styles that are said to be beneficial to our health. For our recipes though, we are not focusing on certain styles. We have 3 focuses in mind. They are longevity, fertility, and mental stability. And these focuses actually go hand in hand together. For many years, especially in Asia, we've known that our mood affects the health of our organs and vice versa. Therefore, in our recipes, we will include ingredients that encourage the brain to release happy chemicals such as serotonin and dopamine to stabilize our mental health. With a relaxed mind combined with ingredients that help stimulate libido and enhance sexual function for both male and female, fertility can potentially be increased. We all know if we want to live longer, maintaining a healthy lifestyle is a must. But have you heard of something called telomeres that may affect the pace we get older? Telomeres are the caps at the end of a chromosome. Many will use the end of shoelaces as an analogy to describe them. Their function mainly is to protect chromosomes from deterioration or loss of DNA during cell division. However, with every cell division, telomeres shorten. When telomeres are too short and unable to protect the chromosome anymore, the cell dies. Therefore, slowing down the shortening of telomeres may be our way to a longer lifespan. The potential of telomeres are yet to be fully explored. But until then, we will feature some ingredients that are healthy by themselves, but are also said to be effective in slowing down the shortening of telomeres into our recipes.